Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Nissan X-Trail T31 ST, stock reference number 3926. This shape runs from the 10th month 2007 through to the 12th month 2013. It has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, ST chrome radiator grille, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. Left front has an average tyre, left power door mirror, colour coded, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has a long dent down the bottom end. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Unfortunately, nothing on the right rear has survived the accident. Right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. We have the right power door mirror. It does have some scratches on it, but still may be usable. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, aftermarket Clarion touchscreen CD player, double din, top glove box, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster. The vehicle's only done 105,000 kilometres, and a 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.